Welcome to Art of Cosmetics. I'm so glad you're here. This is a space dedicated to exploring all the gear and equipment that goes into a beauty collection. We're taking a closer look at the pieces that make up our daily routines, sharing honest insights into what we use and why. In this video, we are going to talk about the different types of cutting systems, where you can use them, how they handle hair density, and why each style brings something different to your grooming routine. Straight razor. This classic tool features a long, folding steel blade that requires careful manual control and regular maintenance using a leather strop. Dating back centuries, it represents the traditional foundation of wet shaving before disposable alternatives took over the commercial market. Its main distinction lies in its single, completely exposed cutting edge, which allows for absolute precision and a uniquely close shave when handled by an experienced hand. Safety razor. This traditional design encloses a double-edged metal blade inside a protective housing, leaving only a tiny sliver of steel exposed to the skin. Invented in the late 19th and early 20th centuries to make shaving safer and cheaper outside of professional barbershops, it revolutionized personal grooming routines. It matters today because it eliminates the risk of deep cuts while providing a clean, irritation-free shave using inexpensive, recyclable steel blades. Single-blade disposable. This modern convenience tool features a fixed or pivoting plastic head holding one permanent metal blade, designed to be thrown away after a few uses. Emerging during the post-war manufacturing boom as mass consumer culture accelerated, it prioritized portability and zero maintenance above all else. It stands out by offering an ultra-lightweight option that requires no blade changing or cleaning, making it a popular choice for travel and quick touch-ups. Twin-blade cartridge. This multi-blade innovation introduced a second parallel blade to the shaving cartridge, building on the concept of the original disposable systems. Released in the 1970s, it utilized a lift and cut mechanics where the first blade pulls the hair slightly upward before the second blade lops it off below the surface. This matters because it significantly increased closeness and longevity per stroke compared to older single-blade designs. Triple blade cartridge. This advanced multi-blade system incorporates three closely spaced steel edges encased in a pivoting plastic cartridge frame. Developed as razor companies competed to deliver smoother results with fewer passes, it distributes facial pressure more evenly across the skin. This design is important because spreading out the load helps reduce skin irritation and minimizes the chance of missing stray hairs during a quick morning routine. 4-blade cartridge. This high-density system packs 4 fine steel blades into a compact pivoting head, often accompanied by a lubricating moisture strip. Engineered to maximize skin contact and flatten uneven contours on the face or body, it refines the closeness of the multi-blade evolution. It matters because it allows for a very smooth glide over difficult areas, reducing the total number of strokes needed to clear an entire section of skin. 5-blade cartridge. This premium multi-blade setup features 5 micro-thin blades positioned incrementally closer together to optimize weight distribution and reduce skin bulging. Introduced during the height of modern cartridge engineering wars, it represents a peak in consumer hardware complexity. Its value lies in providing an exceptionally smooth glide for people with coarse hair who need maximum surface contact and minimal friction. 6-blade cartridge. This ultra-dense configuration maximizes the number of cutting edges squeezed into a single shaving head, accompanied by precision trimming blades on the reverse side. Evolving from intense market competition, it aims to slice through hairs with extreme efficiency in one single pass. It matters for users who prefer maximum convenience and closeness, though the tight spacing requires regular rinsing to prevent clogging. Electric foil. This mechanical shaving system uses a very thin, perforated metal screen to shield a set of rapidly oscillating blades moving back and forth underneath. Originating in the mid-20th century as an alternative to wet shaving creams and razors, it captures hairs through microscopic holes as the head glides across the skin. This design matters because it prevents direct contact between the sharp edges and the dermis, offering a fast, dry shave with virtually zero risk of nicks or cuts. Electric rotary. This motorized alternative relies on multiple circular spinning heads equipped with hidden interior blades that capture hair from any growth angle. Developed around the same era as foil shavers, it is specifically engineered to contour smoothly around the jawline and neck using flexible floating discs. It matters because its circular motion excels at cutting longer or multi-directional stubble quickly without requiring pre-shaving preparation or water. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed learning more about the tools behind the looks, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next chat. I can't wait to see you in the next video.